Assalamu alaikum. This is the lesson for today, chapter 5, lesson 19, find the mean. Okay, it's very simple, but for some reason everyone is confused. Okay, first of all, what is the mean? Mean is the average. Average means like the normal number or somewhere like the middle of a set of numbers. Okay, so it doesn't mean that there's 12, 16, 32, 24. Okay, 32 is in the middle. Or if I arrange them in order, I choose the middle number. That's not what the mean is. The mean is that if I plot this on a graph, 12 is here, 16 is here, 32 is here, 24 is here. So we want to find a number which is somewhere in the middle. Okay, so this is beyond your level. You're not going to understand. You're just going to confuse yourselves. So don't try to understand graphically what the mean is. Okay, just understand that the mean is the average, normal, almost, about. Okay, normal. Like the mean height is the average height. It means the normal height. Most people have this height or something near it. Some people have more, some people have less. But the normal height is the average height. This is what all the people have. Okay. So how do we find the mean? Mean is found in two steps. Step number 1 is to add. Step number 2 is to divide. Okay, just two steps, add and divide. If a set of numbers is given to you and I have asked you to find the mean, you will always see the word mean in the question. Either I will write find the mean and I will give you numbers, or if it's problem solving, you'll see it like this. 6 girls in a class got the following marks, 6, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8. What is the mean mark of the class? You will see the word mean in here. Okay, so there's no guessing, there's no trick. Straightforward, you'll see the word mean. So you have to add, then divide. Okay. So step number 1 is to add. Add what? You see all these numbers, 12, 16, 32, 24? Add them up. 12, 16, 32, 24. Add them up. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 down, 1 goes up. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, I have 84. Alright, step number 1, done. We added all the numbers. Step number 2 is to divide. This number that you just added, 84, you're going to divide it by however many numbers you added. How many numbers did you add? You added 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So you're going to divide by 4. If you had added 5 numbers, you would divide by 5. If you had added 6 numbers, you would divide by 6. Maybe you just added 2 numbers, then you'll divide by 2. Okay? Anyway, right now we're dividing by 4 because there are 4 numbers. Can you do 84 divided by 4 mentally? I can't. So I'm going to use long division. 84 divided by 4. Okay? So am I going to use 8 or am I going to use 84? Let's decide. I'm going to use 8. So 4 times what gives me 8? 4 times 2 is 8. Then I subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. What's the next step? Bring down the 4. Okay. Now what? Repeat. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Anything left to bring down? No. My remainder is 0. My answer is 21. 84 divided by 4 equals 21. So the mean is 21. Okay? Add it all up, then divide. Let's look at another example, but this time with bigger numbers. This is actually a question from the book. Okay? Oh my God, hurry up and get erased. Okay, this is a question from the book. The numbers are 488, 128, 952, and 720. Okay, so what's the first step? We're going to add them up. It doesn't matter how big your numbers are. It doesn't matter how many of them there are. You add in the same way, okay? Addition is always the same. Just make sure ones on top of ones, tens on top of tens, hundreds on top of hundreds. Okay, Let's start adding. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. So 8 down, 1 goes up. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 2 is, again, 18. So 8 goes down, 1 goes up. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. Okay, I added. My answer is 2,288. What was the next step? The next step was to divide. Step number 1 is add. Step number 2 is divide. Okay? All right, we're going to divide. 2,288 divided by how many numbers we added. How many numbers did we add? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2288 divided by 4. Can we do it mentally? I can't. Maybe you can. I can't. So 2288 divided by 4. Let's decide. Are we going to use 2? No, it's too small. We're going to use 22. So 4 times what will bring me near 22? 4 times 5 will bring me near 22. 4 times 5 is 20. Next step, subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next step, bring down. Bring this 8 down. I have 28. 4 times what is 28? 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, let's subtract again. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is also 0. Now what? Bring this 8 down. Okay, multiply again. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So the answer is 572. The mean of these numbers is 572. Okay? Add up all the numbers, divide by how many numbers you added. That's it. It's all the same. Okay? If you don't understand it, that's okay. Grade 4 is too young for you to understand what the concept of mean is because you haven't done statistics yet. You skipped that chapter last year. So it's okay if you don't understand what it is, just know how to do it. All right, bye.